สวัสดีค่ะ
Good evening viewers and welcome back to another video. Tonight we are walking at Kamala Beach, one of the best beaches in southern Thailand. Just check this out, just an amazing atmosphere. People everywhere eating dinner after a hard day out at the beach, doing nothing and relaxing. Well, we've got a live band going.
Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose.
People enjoying themselves. Look at the swings there, the little kids on the swings enjoying themselves. Unbelievable. This is amazing, guys. Amazing. This is what it's all about, living the life. YOLO, as they say, you only live once. Like everyone fucking enjoying themselves, having a few quiet drinks, having a feed. Anyway, welcome to the channel. If it's the first time you've been here, hope you enjoy the video of me walking down Kamala Beach in Thailand. Down the southern end of Thailand. This is probably close to the best beach in southern Thailand, I reckon. Absolutely love it. You wait till you see during the day how good this place is. You've got restaurants on the left, like probably, I don't know, 30, 40 restaurants at least. And it's just right 1 metre away from that. 1 metre away from that is this, the beach. Beautiful waters, just perfect. So much more chilled than Patong. Absolutely an amazing location on this planet. As I said, I've got plenty of videos coming of walking this strip during the day where it's just absolute quality. The Coconut Garden restaurant. Haven't eaten there before. Don't know what that's like. Look at that swing, man. Can you imagine sitting on that during the day, enjoying the life? Living the dream. Oh, some fireworks. Look at that. Beautiful. There you go, how about that for an end? Some more restaurants down there, heaps of restaurants. A lot cheaper down that part. I ate there last night, it was way cheaper. Sit here, have a couple of beers, just chilling. It is the way to go. So Kamala Beach is probably about 15-20 minutes in a tuk-tuk or a car or a bike or whatever from Patong. Easy to get to. It's just Surin Beach is next to it, so it's not far at all.
Oui, mais c'est bien d'en avoir quand t'arrives et tout, pour payer.
They've even got stalls here where you can buy clothes if you want. Of course, you see that everywhere in Thailand. It's just amazing. So all the chairs, they've all been packed up for the night. Because everyone's gone out for dinner now and a relaxing night. But I'll be back again first thing tomorrow morning. That'll be absolutely full. Well, probably not full to the brim, way less than, as I said, than Patong, but you'll be loving it. Get a massage there. Walk around everyone. There's dude sweeping up the path, selling his things. Very nice. This is a hotel here on the left. Not sure what it's called. Of course, I'll never stay here because it would cost an absolute fortune, I reckon, to stay here. Not sure how much it is, but as I said, it would cost a fortune for sure. What's it called? Doesn't say what it's. No, it doesn't say what it's called. Oh, Sunprime Restaurant, but that is an actual hotel as well. Not sure what it's called. Look at that, man. It's beautiful. People still in the pool over there having a few quiet ones, even though it's dark. Having a good time, enjoying themselves. Yeah, having fun. And some tourists here getting some massages. He's enjoying himself. Some more restaurants down here. Today was a beautiful day. It was about 28, 29 degrees, not a cloud in the sky. It's always perfect weather here. Oh, someone's lit up one. I can smell it. Jeez, it smells good. Probably this dude packing up his stuff, having a scoob on the way home. Restaurant here. Pretty full. People having fun, enjoying themselves. Bit of a traffic jam up here. I think I'll get through there. Looks like they're all going left. Yes, they are. You get through. You beauty. Thank you very much. Straight through. You need to know there's a 7-Eleven here on the end of the strip, I suppose. It's the closest one to all this area. I think that guy was stuck in the sand with his bike. I think. The Thai locals there enjoying their last drinks before dinner. getting dark down here. There's the camera holding up. Not great. Look at the thing. It's pretty dark. Alright guys, I'm going to leave this one here. It's a short and sweet one. I hope you enjoyed it. There'll be plenty more Camelot Beach videos to come, so please subscribe if you liked what you saw. Leave us a like, a thumbs up, leave a comment if you like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.